What do some of the fastest growing AI startups all have in common? If you're looking to build your own AI startup, or if you're looking for AI startups to invest in, and maybe you're curious what's already working, this video is for you. Obviously, this is a huge subject, so I'm only going to dive into a few categories here and show you a few startups within each category that are trending right now. Let's start with AI image and video generators. The AI image and video generation landscape is growing rapidly, with trending tools like Leonardo AI, Luma AI, Runway AI, and Kling. These tools all represent a new era in content creation, marketing, social media, and more. Predictions say that the market for AI image generation is going to grow annually at an impressive 17%, which means that these companies and companies like it can be worth hundreds of millions of dollars in a few short years. So whether you're looking to use these tools for yourself or invest in a competing startup, let's take a look. Leonardo AI is a super versatile AI-powered platform that's gained a lot of recognition for its image generation capabilities, particularly in creating assets for computer games and digital art. It offers a whole range of cool features like an AI canvas for editing and creating images, custom dataset creation, pre-trained models spanning various styles, and the ability to share artwork within its own community. Now, Luma AI, developed by Luma Labs, is a cutting-edge AI platform that lets you generate 3D images, videos, and game assets using their web interface or an iPhone. Their flagship product, Dream Machine, is a highly efficient transformer model trained directly on videos capable of generating physically accurate, consistent, and eventful 5-second shots with smooth motion and cinematography. Next up, we've also got Kling AI, which was developed by Kuaishou, and it stands out for its ability to generate videos with an exceptionally smooth and realistic movement. Their video generator can create 10-second clips at 30 frames per second with 1080p resolution and flexible aspect ratios, which is super important if you're creating content for Instagram, Shorts, YouTube, whatever. Kling is currently accessible globally for free, and they give you 66 credits to start. Runway AI creates super detailed and realistic videos with temporal consistency and the ability to render complex human movements very accurately. Their Gen 3 Alpha excels in creating expressive human characters and allows for fine-grained control over video elements like structure, style, and motion. You might notice that in these tools, I actually didn't mention Sora because while they had this giant spike in traffic when they first announced it, they've been pretty slow to release, so it's kind of fallen off the radar a little bit. No matter which tool you use, these tools represent a massive change in the way that we're going to create content in future years, so stay tuned. All right, let's talk about vector database integration tools. In this explosive era of AI and data management, the ability to efficiently handle and query massive amounts of unstructured data has become super important. And now with AI, we're kind of in this new era of data management. We need data to update completely in real time with constant analysis. And that is where vector databases come into play. According to a report from Markets and Markets, the global vector database market is projected to expand from 1.5 billion in 2023 to 4.3 billion in 2028, with this crazy annual growth of 23.3%. So let's talk about a few trending startups in this umbrella. Startups like Qdrant, Airbyte, and N8N. In simple terms, Qdrant is kind of like a smart filing cabinet, specifically made for complex data and useful for recommendation systems and advanced searches. In more technical terms, it's an open source vector database designed to efficiently store, search, and manage high-dimensional vector data. These vectors can represent various types of information like images, text, audio, in a format that machines can easily process and compare. This makes Qdrant particularly useful for programs like advanced search engines, recommendation systems, and content-based retrieval, where understanding the semantic relationship between data points is crucial. Qdrant has already stacked over $37 million as of their Series A round. Shifting gears, Airbyte is an open source data integration platform that simplifies the process of extracting, loading, and transforming data from various sources to destinations. As reported by Seattle Data Guy, Airbyte solves integration problems by offering a wide range of pre-built connectors and allowing users to create custom connectors, making it a versatile solution for companies of all sizes. The platform does provide hundreds of these pre-built connectors, allowing users to quickly set up data pipelines. As of their Series B round, Airbyte has already pulled in over $181 million, and they show no signs of slowing down. Finally, N8N is a powerful open source workflow automation tool that allows users to connect various applications and services to create these custom processes and automate repetitive tasks. These nodes and connections form the building blocks for N8N workflows. And these nodes represent individual steps or actions in an automation process, serving as entry points for data revival, processing functions, or exit points for sending data. It's super easy to use. To create a connection, users just select the gray dot on the right side of the node and drag it to the gray rectangle on the left side of the following node. That structure lets users build these complex, multi-step automations by combining various nodes and connections on a single canvas. N8N has already stacked over $13 million as of their Series A round. These startups are all growing rapidly, as you can see here, and they really represent a new way to structure data, connect applications, and make more sense out of all the information that we're able to collect. If you'd like to see more tools like these, let me know in the comments below. Next, let's talk about a super popular AI niche, which is coding assistants. AI code assistants are revolutionizing modern software development by enhancing efficiency, consistency, and reliability. It's like having this super advanced autocomplete feature, but instead of helping with texts or emails, these are helping you complete lines of code to build software. AI tools like these can analyze huge amounts of code immediately, identifying bugs, security vulnerabilities, and areas for improvement way more accurately than humans could. In one survey, 76% of developers said they are currently using or planning to use some sort of AI coding assistant in the future. So let's take a look at a few of the startups that are leading the charge. Appright, Cursor AI, and Codium represent different approaches to AI-assisted development, each with their unique strengths. Appright focuses on platform-specific assistance, Cursor AI excels in predictive coding, and Codium potentially offering a more polished plugin experience across multiple IDEs. Cursor AI, built on VS Code, has really cool features like next-line code prediction as well as AI-powered code generation and document assistance. Codium, on the other hand, uses their own in-house models, rather than relying on external AI services like Claude AI. Both tools aim to offer enhanced productivity, but they differ in their implementation and the user interface. Appright fits into all this by offering this cool AI-powered assistant integrated directly into its platform. Devs can communicate with the Appright assistant to ask about things like platform integration, user account creation, and file storage directly within the Appright console. It also offers things like code snippet generation, sample project creation, and problem troubleshooting specific to the Appright ecosystem. This is an industry worth billions of dollars, and for good reason. Appright has pulled in $37 million as of their Series A round. Right now, companies are also experiencing developer shortages, so tools like this are helping to empower citizen developers or people who don't have huge coding backgrounds who are stepping in to help fill the gaps while they search for professional developers. So, as we go forward, tools and AI systems that help people develop code faster and produce software quicker are going to be invaluable. So, if you're looking at a new investment, definitely check out this space. All right, next up, did you know that searches for AI meeting assistant have grown 6,400% in the past 5 years? The global intelligent virtual assistant market is expected to grow from $3.24 billion in 2023 to $22.4 billion by 2032, at an annual growth rate of 24%. These AI-powered tools can automate super tedious tasks like scheduling meetings, taking notes within meetings, placing calls, which frees up employees' time for more complex tasks. AI meeting assistants also have integrations with CRMs, email platforms, and thousands of apps through services like Zapier. This is a particularly valuable niche because it saves employees and businesses a lot of time and money. Based on the average amount of time that people waste in meetings, they're throwing away more than 15 hours per month, and US companies are losing $37 billion per year. So let's take a look at a few trending companies that are helping to get those numbers down. MeetGeek is an AI-powered meeting assistant with huge growth. I've actually talked about this one in a previous video too. It automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes meetings across platforms like Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet. To schedule meetings, it integrates with Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook. For collaboration and communication, MeetGeek syncs with tools like Slack, Google Drive, Notion, for automatically sharing meeting recordings, notes, and highlights. According to PitchBook, MeetGeek has already raised over $830K, although I'm sure that number is set to rise. Next, let's take a look at Otter AI, a California-based meeting assistant app that provides real-time transcriptions and summarizes meeting highlights. It offers live transcription, collaborative notes where users can highlight, comment, and add images, support for custom vocabulary to improve transcription accuracy, and integrations with Zoom, Google Meet, Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. Otter AI has already stacked an impressive $63 million as of their Series B round. Now, let's check out Firefly's AI. It's an AI-powered note taker designed to automatically record record, transcribe, summarize, and give action items for meetings. They've got features baked in like automatic transcription, the ability to interact with their assistant via voice commands, automated summaries and highlights of key discussion points, search functionality, and collaboration features like sharing, commenting, and editing meeting notes within Teams. They've also got all the integrations you know and love, like Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, along with CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot. Firefly has already pulled in 19 million as of their Series A round, and they show no signs of slowing down. Also riding the wave of AI meeting assistants is Avoma. Avoma features things like agenda preparation and post-meeting follow-ups, accurate transcription and AI-generated summaries, highlights of action items, key topics, and insights from the meetings, and custom templates for different types of meetings. They also have lots of integrations like the ones you know, Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and again, CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot. They've already pulled in 15 million as of their Series A round. All in all, if you're looking to bootstrap or invest in an AI startup, the virtual assistant sector is huge right now. That's it for today. There are so many more categories for different types of startups and trends, and so much more to go through. So if you want to see anything specific, drop us a comment below. Let me know what you think below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next video, and I'll see you there.